All right, welcome back. And today we are looking at our central angles and arc measurements of our circles. Last time we had reviewed finding our area, finding our circumference. Today we're looking at a new topic. So a central angle is an angle with its vertex at the center of the circle. Okay. And its two sides are known as radii. Normally, you only have one radius, but when looking at arc measures, you're going to have two radiuses, so they are known as radii. So for example, on the left here, I have angle ABC, okay, and that's my central angle in circle B to the left. The sum of all central angles in a circle is 360 degrees. Okay. So AB is one radii and BC is another. Because my radii both come from the center of the circle, their measurements are also equal. So our measurements of the arc formed by the endpoints of a central angle are equal, or is equal to the degree of my central angle. Okay, so my angle measurement of 84 for angle ABC is also the same as my arc measurement here for AC. So AC is also 84. All right, looking at question number 1, I have a couple different parts to solve. And the first thing it asks me to solve for is the measure of arc ST. Well, I just learned that if I have an angle measurement, that arc measurement is equivalent. So ST is 122. Next, it's asking me for RS. I don't know my angle measurement for RS, but I do know that RT is a straight line. So I can find RS by going 122 and subtracting that from 180. So I'm going to get 58 degrees for my angle RQS, which means the measure of arc RS is also 58. Okay. And lastly, I'm being asked to find my measurement of arc S, R, and T. And I know that a straight line is 180. So if I take 180 and I add that to the measure of arc SR, it's going to give me SRT's arc. So I get 8 and then 13. So the measure of arc SRT is 238. Okay. Measure of angle 2, or measures on angle 2. Before I even look at the right side, the first thing I'm going to notice is I have a vertical angle, which means that this angle measurement here is also 21 degrees. So now, it's my first question's asking me for the measurement of arc JK. And because I have angle J and K, arc JK is the same at 21. Next question's asking me to find the measure of J and L. So it's asking me for J and L, which is J and M, which isn't quite a straight line, but J and L is. And because the measurement of angle MNL is also 21, I can subtract that from 180 to get 159 degrees for my angle for J and M. So J and M is vertical for KNL, which also means its angular measurement will be the same. KL is the next arc that I'm being asked to solve for. And because KNL is 159, KL is also 159 degrees. My next measurement of my arc is asking for J, K, and then M. If you notice, I went all the way around, and because there's 4 variables that I cross over, I only need to write 3. So what I know is if I add 21, 159, and 21, it's going to give me my arc measurement. So I get 42 plus 159, which is going to give me 201 degrees, or 201 degrees for my arc measurement. And the last measurement it's asking me to solve for is MKL. This is known, my blue arc I just highlighted, as a major arc. Okay, again, I'm touching 3 variables, which is what makes it a major arc, while any one that only has 2, such as KL, is known as a minor arc. The measurement of arc MKL is 360 minus 21, which is going to give me 339 degrees. I'm subtracting 21 because that's the measure of my minor arc ML, which is not included on my major arc. Again, please make a note of any questions you have. A major arc is 3 letters. 2 letters for your arcs is known as a minor arc measurement. Have a great afternoon.